Jude. Hi. All right, good afternoon, everybody. I'm here as it's time to replace the dust bag for my E28 vac. Again, I like to monitor for performance, and if I notice, the vac's leaving behind dirt and debris, it's a good indicator that something's off and something needs to be replaced, cleaned out, or addressed. So I noticed that we were leaving alone around some debris, and I got to thinking, I don't think I replaced the dust bag any time recently. So we're going to get into it. So first things first, much like other vacs, you may think like, okay, we remove the clean water tank, and there might be a location to replace the bag. Well, that's not really the case here with the E28. So that's the clean reservoir. There's also the dirty reservoir tank, and as you notice, there's nothing really in there to really address or remove the dust bin. So for everybody that has never really replaced the bag, it's actually really, really simple where to find it. So all you do is you lift this portable base off, and right here, when you hit open, there's your bag. So it's nice. They make it nice and easy. Got this little plastic tab here. You pull it out, pull it up, and pull this whole bag out. So this nice plastic tab helps keep all the dust and hair and debris inside. So I'm going to go ahead and toss this out. I just had to replace this on one of my other vacs as well. Unfortunately, on one of my other vacuums, I did not have a replacement bag yet for it. So I'll have to get some. I had to stick my fingers in and pull out all the dust. That's not really ideal. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we push down this tab all the way, and you can put your finger through. And the little cardboard edges, we're just going to feed into these little notches here. And once it's in the notch, you just push it down, nice and tight. See what I just did here? I ended up trapping the bag on the edge. So if you notice that it's a little tight to push in that bag or cardboard. So what I like to do is just pull this bag back a little bit away from the edge and then push it down. So here, the bag's in. Just make sure that nothing's really bound up. Kind of lay things nice and flat. Go ahead and close that. Once you close that, go ahead and lift your portable cleaner back on top, setting it just right. So now that it's been returned to its position, what I like to do is I like to run a empty dust cycle just to expand the bag fully. So if you got any questions or got any ideas on more content to cover, let me know. Have a good night.